Ladies and gentlemen, 2024 Hyundai IONIQ N. This is the EV that actually has simulated gears, a simulated engine. I'm really excited to try this today out here on the track at Road America. So this has two motors, front and rear, pushing out 601 horsepower, 740 pound-feet of torque, 641 temporarily with the N-Grin boost enabled, which is this red button right here. We've got 221 miles of range with an 84 kilowatt-hour battery. MSRP for these is around $67,000 to $69,000. Suspension, front strut, multi-link rear, 21-inch wheels all around with 275 section width Pirelli tires, and we're weighing in around 4,800 pounds. So we have this in N custom mode. Everything is on the most aggressive, traction is off. So you got your gear selector right here. We're in drive now. Holy shit. I was getting the tack earlier, but I don't know where that has gone, honestly. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it'll actually stop accelerating at the red line. Pops and bangs. That actually sounds pretty good. Now let's see what happens when we try to lug the engine. Let's go into 6th gear, floor it, 8th gear. Yeah, well look at that. It even has a simulated torque curve. Wow, that is convincing, guys. That is really convincing. Brakes are feeling great, nice and solid initial bite. Good modulation. Suspension definitely feeling pretty soft though. Gotta remember, this thing weighs 4,800 pounds as well, so there's a lot of heft here. Getting a bit of understeer. And each time you shift, it gives you that jolt in your back as if you were driving like a DCT, which I love. On these little chicanes with the cones, you can really feel it move a lot underneath you. There's a lot of weight here. Takes a moment to get settled. What a cool car. What a cool car. Unfortunately not able to try out the drift mode that the vehicle comes with, but I'm sure that would be a riot. Dude, people at Hyundai are having a fun time. Look at this EV with simulated gears, and it is insanely convincing. The way you can lug an engine in 8th gear, you know, the shifts actually pushing you back like that. If you hit redline, you'll stop accelerating suddenly, just as if it was a real ICE. That's incredible. That is incredible. What a fun car. You gotta remember, this is also based on the IONIQ 5, which is not a sports car, right? This is a tarted up CUV EV. So you're in a, you know, a higher upright seating posture, but the interior feels really nice, good design. I like the colors with the blue here. Forgot to actually try the N-Grin boost mode, but even without that, I mean, this thing pulls This thing pulls really hard. I'm impressed, guys. I'm really impressed. Other things I want to tell you, the steering doesn't have much feel, but I guess you're not really expecting that for a car like this or an EV like this. But man, if this is the future of enthusiast EVs, like, I'm not complaining. This is hilarious. Just give me a manual transmission and a third pedal now, and I'd be set. My friends, let me know what you think of the IONIQ 5N with a comment down below. Much love. This is the Track First Impressions. More to come soon, and I'll see you all in that next one.